Welcome back to another Armadillo Designs hardware installation tutorial. Today, we will be installing your new rear interior window Molle panel. Installation should take roughly 30 minutes and can be done solo. Ensure you have the following tools before proceeding onward. Okay, let's get to it. Start by ensuring the interior rear window is clean. Then apply medium-strength blue Loctite to one of the 6 M8 by 1.25 millimeter bolts that are 16 millimeters in length. Place a rubber washer between the rear window molle and the rails on the interior of the hatch. Now thread the bolt into the rivenut installed on the rails. Hand tighten to ensure proper fitment and then snug to secure the installation. Repeat this process for all remaining bolts. Note that it can be helpful to install the first 2 bolts on opposite sides to help keep the Molle panel secure as you move on to the rest. Remember that you will need to fit a rubber washer under the Molle panel at each hole, so wait until all bolts are threaded before tightening them down all the way. If using a drill, be careful not to over-tighten. We recommend using a T-handle to finish securing each bolt into place. And that's it. Your new rear interior window Molle panel is installed and you are ready to show it off. See you next time.